My arms make me really insecure. I hate wearing short sleeve shirts. I try to not wear any dresses that are tube top like because I hate the way my arms look. I try to always have some sort of sleeve so my arms aren't fully exposed. Now that I'm getting older, it's harder to work out that exact area. So I'm really excited to have this procedure done and I could be more comfortable in my own clothes. My name is Daniela and I'm getting my arms lipo today. I'm doing this now at 27. I just feel like I'm at the right age. I'm not too young, yet too old, and I'm just at a perfect time in my life where I can have this done and be great. I come from a Hispanic background, so I feel like we're a little bit more heavier, and like my mom has always had big arms, my aunts do too, so it's like a thing, and I'm scared to get older and continue to have these arms.
My name's Theodore, and I've been in practice for more than 15 years. Anything involving radiofrequency assisted liposuction, especially BodyTite, is essentially scarless surgery, a scarless arm lift. What is BodyTite? New technology now, radiofrequency assisted liposuction, BodyTite. We're able to suck all the fat out that's necessary to give her a nice result, and in addition, tighten up all the skin with it. We do use tiny little incisions to access everything, so the approach is a minimal invasive approach. Specifically, it's done under local anesthesia. That way the patient's awake while we do these things. So Daniela is a good candidate because no matter how much weight she loses, her arms are always going to be fuller and she's not able to remove the fat from her arms under exercise. Also, in addition, the loose skin she has.
Even if I do diet and exercise, I mean, if I do like a really hardcore diet, my arms will be a little flabby, and it's hard to exercise on that part specifically because it takes a longer time. It's just harder now that I'm older to have my arms more toned.
I find your deltoid muscle and I take all the fat away from it and I sculpt it for you. So we're not just doing this part, we're doing the whole arm. Why?
I hope to feel better about myself, be able to wear anything I'd like, feel comfortable in my clothes, and specifically in the summer to just be able to wear anything I like without feeling insecure.
You know, this is different than anything that's been done before. So essentially I'm heating everything up. This is sort of my internal seam of my jacket. We're gonna put all the heat here and create scar tissue. So everything white hot there means that all this heat going in is really gonna end up tightening her skin. So the important thing is that she's awake, she's talking to me, there's nothing safer than that, and at the same time she's having her arms done.
I just came out of surgery. I feel great. I really didn't have much pain after the anesthesia. My arms went numb. I'm like they're asleep, but I'm not in pain at all. I could lift my arms up and I feel normal. I can tell the difference now, and they're a little swollen, but you could definitely see the difference. So I'm excited to see the end results in a couple of months. It's been 6 weeks since my underarm liposuction. I feel great and confident. The people that I see the most, like my family, have definitely noticed the change in my arms, like the definition and just how much they shrunk. The day after the surgery, I thought I was gonna be in a lot more pain than I was. It wasn't that bad, just lifting my arms up. It wasn't anything drastic that I couldn't handle. It was a little numb for a couple of days after that, but after the stitches came out, I was totally fine and didn't have a worry.
How you been?
Good, I feel great.
How you feel? All good?
Mm-hmm.
Still numb?
Yeah, it's a little tingly.
Why don't you flex for me? Look at that.
well, it's all gonna get better. So at this point, this is exactly what you should look like.
Okay. I'm excited for the summertime to be wearing bathing suits and showing off my arms. Before I used to feel not so confident, but now I'm excited and I feel great. I don't have any regrets at all. I would totally do it again on a different body part if I could. I totally recommend the surgery for women who have self-esteem issues. It makes you feel really confident about your body.